Today, we're exploring how you can maximize your trading potential by using the Alpha Generation plugin on Deriv MT5. In trading and investing, alpha represents an investment's excess return relative to a benchmark index's return. In simpler terms, it's about aiming to outperform the market. Pursuing alpha typically involves developing a strategy and utilizing various tools. Alpha generation includes 3 core indicators that traders can use to analyze market trends, study potential trade opportunities, and research possible entry and exit points, analyst views, adaptive candlesticks, and adaptive divergence convergence. This integrated set of tools can serve as one of your resources when developing your trading approach. To access Trading Central on Deriv MT5, you'll first need a Deriv MT5 account and a MetaTrader 5 application installed. Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Download and install the Alpha Generation plugin. Please note that this is only available for Windows. Step 2. Access the indicators on Deriv MT5. In the Navigator panel of Deriv MT5, search for the Trading Central indicators. To start using any indicator, simply drag it onto your chart. Trading Central's core indicators provide access to directional recommendations, chart pattern analysis, and market condition monitoring through technical signals. These tools offer market analysis approaches from trading insights to pattern recognition and short-term trading signals. You can also access the Expert Advisor panel. In the Navigator panel, find Expert Advisors and look for Trading Central. The Trading Central pop-up window will now appear, giving you access to the following tools: Featured Ideas, Economic Insight, and Market Buzz. Each of these tools can be used to gather different perspectives for your market analysis. Remember, the key is to combine these insights with your personal trading strategy and risk management practices. You're all set. Start making informed trades with Alpha Generation on Deriv's MT5 platform.